Think Iran isn't safe in 2026? Then this video is for you. A lot of people around the world still have a very outdated image of Iran. Some imagine Iran as a place where everything looks like it did decades ago. Some even think there are no modern cities, no modern lifestyle, and believe people still travel around on camels. But that's far from the reality you'll see today. Right now, I'm in Kalat, a beautiful historic village near Shiraz. It's known for its traditional architecture, mountain scenery, gardens, cafes, restaurants, and its unique atmosphere. One thing that's important to understand is that Iran is not an Arab country. Iran is a separate country with its own history, culture, languages, traditions, and identity. The majority of Iranians are Persian, although Iran is also home to many different ethnic groups and languages. And if you spend some time in Iran, especially around younger people, you might be surprised by what you see. The new generation is very connected to global culture. Fashion, music, technology, social media, cafes, travel, and modern lifestyles are a big part of everyday life for many young Iranians. In major cities, you'll see styles and trends that can feel surprisingly similar to what you might see in European cities, while still having a distinctly Iranian identity. And yes, we have cars. It sounds funny, but I've actually seen people online asking whether Iranians still use camels for transportation. No, camels are definitely not how people normally get around Iran. Iran has busy highways, modern transportation, domestic cars, and you'll also see many foreign-made vehicles on the streets, although the models and availability can be different because of import restrictions and sanctions. Of course, Iran isn't perfect, and I'm not trying to pretend that it is. Like every country, it has its own challenges and contradictions. But the Iran you see in movies, old news footage, or stereotypes online isn't necessarily the Iran you'll experience when you actually come here. So instead of judging Iran based only on what you've heard, take a look at everyday life for yourself. This is Kalat, Iran in 2026. And maybe it's a little different from what you expected.
منقل و پنقل و سیخ و میخوره ها بیاریم.
دیشب گفت جوجه بگیریم بیاریم کباب کنیم.